This is June 2016, paper 2PR. This is question number 6. So we've got this information table, and it's got different types of power station, maximum output, time to reach maximum output, and relative fuel cost. And they want to build a new power station because on cold days the demand for electrical power can suddenly increase by 20,000 megawatts. The company needs to build this new power station to meet this increased demand. So the question is, using only the information in the table, evaluate which types of power station would be the most suitable to meet this increased demand. Now they're saying only information because you probably do know a lot more than is in that table about all of these things. They're not asking about renewable, non-renewable, greenhouse effects, climate change, pollution, nothing to do with that. So if you start bringing that in, it's not going to get you any of the 5 marks because it's not in the table. So be very clear that you only use the table in this situation. So let's start with the top one, wind. Its output is too low, so it's unreliable. So probably not going to go with that one. Gas, output is too low, but it does have a very fast startup. So that's a no, but the startup is a yes. Tidal, it is the highest output, but only at fixed times. Now it did say that it can suddenly go up by 20,000 megawatts. So tides aren't going to be very good for that because unless it happens at the same time that the tide is high, then it's not going to work. Nuclear, the output is high, but it's too long to start up. Remember, this is a sudden demand. Coal, output is high. It's the second highest startup time, so it's looking good. So evaluate them. So they're looking for you to pull out the outputs, the reliability, maybe something about the costs as well. And they're allowing, from the mark scheme, costs allow 1 mark for a relevant statement about coal. Or about any of the fuels. So coal is the most expensive fuel, gas is the second most expensive fuel. So after you've done this evaluation, you should come to a conclusion. Nuclear, wind and tidal is unsuitable, but gas and coal may be suitable. They're the only ones that we've got that could actually have meet that increased demand very quickly. So we're looking for the fast startups, and then we might say something about the costs as well. This is a very open question. Pulling anything out from the table was going to get you those 5 marks. Making comparisons, talking about which one in the end you would use in order to meet that demand, maybe why as well, and then talking about those costs. And that's question number 6.